Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the topic as chapter number 15, waves. And let us start with the introduction. What are waves now? You might have heard about a light is a wave, or a sound wave, or a water wave, or the earthquake waves. Those are seismic waves. Many type of the waves you might have heard. Let us many types of waves. Example first, you might have heard about sound wave. Sound wave. Yes, what is sound wave? That is, I am talking now, and whatever I am talking, the words are my voice. That what you are hearing. That is how come it is possible? Because of sound waves. Whatever I am talking right now and you are listening that one, the words, and those words that what I am talking, those are reaching in the form of waves to your ears. Those waves are sound waves. And another example you might have studied about or you heard about light waves. Light wave is nothing but that is an electromagnetic wave. Light wave from the sun, since from many years we are getting the light from the sun, that is in the form of wave. Yes, that is a light wave, or you can call it as an electromagnetic wave. Or you can third another example is seismic waves. Seismic waves. Seismic waves, these are the waves are responsible for the earthquake. These waves also we are going to call it as a earthquake waves. Inside the earth layer, the earth is vibrating. Because of that vibration, the waves are moving from one point of one place to the another place. As a result, earth is shaking or vibrating. Those disturbance or the vibrations, they are carried by a certain type of waves called as seismic waves. This is also waves. And another type of waves, that is many types of wave you might have heard. Water waves. Water waves. Water waves. Just I given some example for waves. Before going to discuss detail about what do you mean by waves, these are some kinds of waves you might have heard about. You might have heard about a sound wave, or you might have heard about a light wave or a seismic waves or a water waves. If you throw a small stone into the water pond, suddenly the ripples are spreading out from that point inside the water surface. In the water surface, how the water is moving from a single point to a different regions, water waves. And inside the earth crust, the earth is vibrating. That disturbance is carrying from one place to another place with the help of a type of the waves. In nature, we are going to call it as a seismic waves. Seismic waves are also calling it as a earthquake waves. And another one is a light wave. As you know very well, in your room, you are lighting a bulb. From the bulb, the light is moving from every corner of your house or room. That is nothing but the light is able to move in the form of wave. And next sound wave, from one point to another point, how the sound is propagating, how the sound is traveling, that is in the form of the wave. Getting? These are many example for waves. And before going to study the different waves and their characteristics, we can see about what do you mean by waves. Basically, wave is nothing but that is a energy which carries the energy from one point of medium to the other point of medium. How come that is possible? Let us take. First of all, we can see about definition of waves. What are waves? Wave is nothing but it is a disturbance. Wave is nothing but it is a disturbance it is a disturbance. It is a disturbance. In physics, the disturbance word we are using it as energy. Using it as disturbance in the sense the disturbance meaning is energy. If I am shouting here, what is the meaning of that one? The sound energy is transmitting from my mouth to your ear. That is the energy, because that energy is possible to produce a sensation of hearing to your ear, in the sense, yes, that sound is a energy. Whenever I am talking, that produces a sensation on your ears. What sensation? That hearing sensation. Therefore, because of that hearing sensation you are getting in the sense, because of which one? That is a wave. Because of that wave that is carrying the energy, that energy is produces the sensation of hearing to your ears. Therefore, that is producing a sensation to your ear. That's why we are going to call it as a energy, or you can take disturbance. The disturbance and energy, the word both are same. In physics, the disturb in the sense energy. It is a disturbance or energy propagating in the sense spreading. What is the meaning of propagating? Spreading or moving. Propagating from one point of medium to the from one point of medium to another point of the medium, another point of medium called wave or wave motion. Called wave or wave motion. You can use any word, wave or wave motion. Wave or wave motion. And graphically, wave can be represented by using a nature as sinusoidal waves. Let us take it as a mean point O. This is the highest point. The graphical representation of the wave, let us take this as a wave. I am showing graphically. The wave can be represented graphically like this. This is x-axis. In x-axis, the wave is propagating. In x-axis, the wave is propagating like this. This is propagation of direction of the wave. And this is a mean point. This is y-axis indicating displacement of wave from a origin. This is a graphical representation of the wave. What is the meaning of this definition? This is called as wave motion. Here you should learn about what is the meaning of this definition. Wave is nothing but it is a disturbance. Disturbance in physics we are going to call it as a energy. It means that now I am talking and you are telling it as a disturbance. I am producing a disturbance. Or if I am talking, you are hearing that one. What I am talking, you are hearing. Na ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ ಅದು ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋತೀರಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತದ? You are able to know that what I am talking. ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸತ್ತ ಅಂದ್ರ? Yes. How come it is possible? Yes, here because air medium is there. Whenever my vocal cord putting the pressure on the air particles present over here, that air particles are start to vibrating and that sound wave is propagating through the air particles and reaching your ears in the form of waves. That wave nature we can discuss later, how the wave is existing, and that wave we are going to call it as a sound wave. Generally you remember the disturbance or energy both are same. Propagating from one point of medium. Yes, what is the medium present over here? This is a air medium. and in the air medium, one point of medium to the another point of medium, sound energy is propagating. How come? This is the first point, my vocal cord producing a sound. From this point to your ear is another point of the medium. Entire medium is a air medium. You are also present in air medium, I am also present in air medium, but whenever I am talking, this is the first point and your ear is the second point. From my mouth to your ear, this is whole one medium, air medium. My mouth is the first point, your ear is the second point. My mouth to your ear, from one point to other point, my mouth to ear means first point to second point, the energy is moving in this air medium. Here medium is nothing but now it is air, from one point to another point. And how come you are able to receive that what I am talking with the help of wave, that what I am talking, the words that is reaching to your ear? And what is the channel or what is the mediating channel in between me and you? That is a wave. Wave with the propagation, in order to move the wave, who is helping? This air medium is helping. Then air is a medium, then that energy carried by the wave, therefore that is called as a sound wave. A disturbance propagating from one point of medium to the other point of the medium is called as a wave. Examples you might have heard about, just I have discussed. One is a sound wave. Sound wave. Sound wave. How come the sound wave is existing? Let us consider these are all air particles. These are all air particles, means which is the medium? This is all air medium. This is all air medium. This is all air medium. These are all the air medium. This is particles or medium is called as a air medium. And this is the person, he is talking. Whenever the person putting a pressure on these air particles by his vocal cords, then these particles are start to vibrate. Whenever the person talks, his vocal cords putting a pressure on these air particles. Whenever the person puts the pressure on this air particle, this is start vibrating. And again this particle getting disturbance by this particle, then this is starting SHM, 2 pro, and because of the disturbance of this particle, the side particles is also start vibration, and because of this particle, the side particles is also start vibration. Because of its disturbance, the side particles is also start vibration. Because of the disturbance of this particle, the side particles is also getting produces a disturbance like this, SHM. This is simple harmonic motion. Each and every particle of the medium, they are coming under simple harmonic motion. Because of the disturbance produced by this particle is also start SHM, simple harmonic motion, like this vibrations. Because of its disturbance, it is produces vibrations. Because of its disturbance, side particle produces vibrations. Means in this direction the disturbance is carrying. Which disturbance? The sound is a disturbance, or you can call it as a energy. Whenever the person talks, his vocal cord putting a pressure on the air particles present over here. Because of that pressure, this particle start vibration. Because it is disturbed, because of its disturbance, it is coming in a simple harmonic motion like this. Because of its disturbance, this second particle is also coming in the disturbance and start simple harmonic motion, means SHM, or you can simply call it as a vibration. Because of its disturbance, it is also disturbed and start SHM. Because of its disturbance, it is also start simple harmonic motion and vibrating, and the process is goes on continuous. From this point, let us, you are standing here, and because of this a simple harmonic motion of each and every particle of the medium, the sound energy or the disturbance, sound as a disturbance, you can call it as a energy, the sound is moving from his mouth to his ears. How the wave is existing, we can discuss in later. The sound is moving in the form of a wave, pressure wave we are going to call, or a density wave. How that wave is existing we can discuss that one in the next class. But this person to this person, the sound energy is propagating. What is the medium? The air is the medium. What is one point? This is the person. What is the another point? This person. From this person to this person, the sound is propagating, moving, getting spreading. The disturbance, sound is nothing but that is the disturbance or energy is propagating from this person to this person. Whenever he is talking, he is listening, because that sound energy can be carried by a wave in this medium. Which is the medium? Air is the medium. Then how the energy is getting transferred from this person to this person? In the form of wave. Those waves we are going to call it as a pressure waves. Those waves we are going to call it as a pressure wave. How this wave is existing, how this wave is existing we can discuss in our next class. Wave heng ready agtada, heng exist agtada anteli we can discuss in the next class. This is sound wave is example for us wave motion. And second example you can take water waves. Water waves, this is also example. Let us take, these are the water particles, this is a water. I am taken now here medium for the sound wave. Medium is a air medium. For water wave, the medium is a water medium. The medium is a water medium. Let us take one stone and release it from a certain height. Let us take it as a stone. This is all water. These are all water particles. The stone is moving from a certain height and reaching to the and hitting a water particle, and the stone is moving in downward direction. In the sense, the energy possessed by the stone is kinetic energy. When the stone is coming in downward direction and hitting a water particle here, water particle, and its kinetic energy, that whatever it is the kinetic energy is having by the stone is getting transferred to the water particle, and the stone kinetic energy is getting transferred to the water particle. Then this water particle getting disturbed and start a vibration like this. This water particle is disturbed by this stone. How come it is disturbed? Just you have take one stone and release it in the water, and whenever the stone is moving in downward direction, it is having a kinetic energy. Whenever this stone hitting one water particle, one water molecule, then its kinetic energy is getting transferred to the water particle. Then water particle is getting disturbed and start vibration in straight line. This is mean point, and it is going off. It is extreme point. It is coming to again mean point, going to down extreme point, again coming to that same point, mean point. This water particle is disturbed to fro, to fro, to fro, to fro. From the mean point it starts the vibration at this point, and this particle is disturbed. Because of this disturbance given by this particle, side water particle is also getting disturbed, and it is vibrating at this point about its mean point, and it creates the disturbance. Because of the disturbance created by this first water particle, the side particle is also getting disturbed, and it is also start a simple harmonic motions like this. And this particle is not moving in forward direction, just it transfers the disturbance. Because of its disturbance, it is also start vibration, simple harmonic motion, to fro, to fro. And because of the vibrations or the simple harmonic motion of this second water particle, the disturbance is creating here. Because of the disturbance given by this second particle, the third water particle is also disturbed, and it is also vibrating to fro and to fro. And because of its disturbance, the fourth water particle is also getting disturbance, and it is also start vibrations about its mean point, and it creates a disturbance. That disturbance are moving from this point to this point, and it is in rest now. Because of the disturbance given by this fourth particle, the pip particle is also disturbed and start vibration like this. SHM, simple harmonic motion. Its disturbance is transferred here. This water particle is also disturbed and start vibration. Because of disturbance, this is start vibration. Because of its disturbance, this is also start vibration. Because of its disturbance, this is start vibration, and so on. Same is goes on continuous. And here let us take, how come this is? Stone is falling from a certain height, its kinetic energy is getting transferred to the one particle. It is disturbed, produces simple harmonic motion. Because of its disturbance, second particle disturbed and produces simple harmonic motion. Because of its disturbance, third particle disturbed and produces simple harmonic motion at the same point. And all these particles of the medium vibrate about their mean point. And don't confuse, these particles are not moving in this direction. This particle vibrating only at this region, 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 this particle vibrating only at this region. But this particle is never moving in forward direction, just it transfers its disturbance. And this particle is here only, it is vibrating here only, it is not moving in forward direction. Then what it is doing? Just it transfers its disturbance to the third particle, and after gaining the disturbance by the second particle, it is vibrating here, and this particle is not moving in forward. And what it is forwarding? Just it is forwarding its disturbance here, and the disturbance reaching to this point, it is vibrating. It is vibrating here only, it is not moving in forward. But what it is doing? It transfers its disturbance, it transfers its disturbance, it transfers its disturbance. The disturbance in the meaning as energy. Then from a particle to particle, what is carrying forward? Just energy is carrying forward. Energy in the sense disturbance. Energy in the sense that is disturbance. From particle to particle, what is moving forward? Disturbance or energy is moving forward, but not the particle. Just you can think yourself. I am asking a basic question. Is the particles are moving? No, particles are not moving. Then what it is moving? What is moving? The disturbance produced by these particles are moving. In this direction, this particle is not moving, this particle is not moving, this particle is not moving, this particle is not moving. Then what is moving? The disturbance produced by this particle is moving. Then this is disturbing, its disturbance is moving. Then this is disturbing, this disturbance is moving. Only disturbance is moving, not the particles. This particle is moving like this, but not moving in forward direction. This particle is moving like this, but not moving in forward direction. This particle is vibrating here only, but not moving. Then what is moving? The disturbance creating by these particles of the medium is moving. Then is the particles are moving in x direction? No. What is moving? Only disturbance creating by the particles is medium moving. How come moving? In the form of waves. In the form of waves, only the disturbance is moving. In the form of waves, the disturbance is moving. These waves produced in the water medium are called as water waves. And the third example you can take. What is the third example? That is light wave. Light wave. And light wave from the sun. From the sun, the light is propagating. Light is propagating without medium. Propagating without medium. This is also without medium in the form of wave. In wave form. In wave form. That is like this. In the form of wave, let us take it as a sun point. This is a sun. The light is moving in the form of wave towards the universe. In all the direction the light is spreading like this. But later I can discuss what is the type of the wave. Wave ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ ಇದಾವ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ವೇವ್ಗೆ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ವೇವ್ಗೆ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೂ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. But in case of light wave, here there is no medium. Light can also travel in glass, means glass as a medium. The light can also able to move in a water. Yes, water is a medium. The light is also able to move in a air. Yes, air is a medium. That if there is no air, if there is no atmosphere, if there is no glass, water, if there is no medium also, the light can able to move. The light is moving in presence of medium or else in absence of medium. In vacuum also light able to move. Therefore, I didn't talk about medium here. But sound wave cannot move without medium. If there is no air, then what I am talking you are not getting. That's why in order to propagate from one point to another medium, the sound wave require a medium. Sound wave travel ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ medium ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕಾ? For example ನಾ air medium ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನ. Like that water, when you drop the stone from that disturbance point, the wave is propagating, disturbance is propagating. The water wave also require a medium. Which medium? Water medium. Then while coming to light wave cannot require a medium. Air illa andru move ಆಗ್ತದ, water illa andru move ಆಗ್ತದ, vacuum ಒಳಗಡೆ light move ಆಗ್ತದ. The speed of light is more in vacuum as compared with other mediums. I will discuss these types of the wave require a medium and it is not requiring a medium. That's why we are going to call it as a non-mechanical wave, and these are called as a mechanical waves. We can discuss in the next class. And another type of the wave is a seismic wave. Seismic waves also we are going to call it as earthquake waves. Earthquake waves, let us take, this is earth, this one is earth, this is earth, this is earth, and at this point the disturbance is created, and this disturbance, these particles, soil particles are vibrating like this. Because of this disturbance, this part is vibrating, soil particle vibrating. Because of this disturbance, this soil particle is vibrating. Because of its disturbance, this soil particle is vibrating. Because of its disturbance, this soil particle is vibrating, and the same is goes on continuous in the form of wave. Same is goes on continuous in the form of waves. From this point to this point, the disturbance is transferred, or energy is transferred. Disturbance transferred. Actually, the disturbance is created at this point, but this disturbance is moving from this point to this point. How come? In the form of waves, and these waves are also we are going to call it as earthquake waves, and their name is a seismic waves. What are seismic waves? The earthquake is producing because of seismic waves in the earth layer. ಅರ್ತ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಅರ್ತ್ ಕ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ವೇವ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. That's why the earth is cracking. Because of these waves, the earth is cracking and the buildings are collapsing. Which wave is responsible for earthquake? Seismic waves in the earth layers. ಅರ್ಥದ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಲೇಯರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಆ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇವ್ಸ್. ದೋಸ್ ವೇವ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ earthquake. We are going to call it as a seismic waves. And the seismic waves require a medium. Which is the medium? Earth is the medium, soil is the medium. And here medium require, here medium require, here medium require, but here medium is not required. We can discuss in the types of waves in the next class. A medium, a wave is nothing but a disturbance propagating from one point to another point. Whether medium is there or whether there is no medium, not a problem. We can call it as a waves. And here some examples for waves. Sound wave, the person is talking, this person is hearing or listening, and whatever is the word he is talking, that is moving in the form of waves. Those waves we are going to call it as a pressure waves, or a density waves, or a sound wave. Next, water waves. If you drop one stone into the water, that disturbance is moving in all the direction. Disturbance in the form of ripples, you know very well. These waves we are going to call it as a water waves. And next, seismic waves, also called it as a earthquake waves. At this point of the earth, the disturbance is created. This disturbance is moving from one point to another point with the help of these waves. We are going to call it as a seismic waves. And another example is a light wave. and the graphical representation, how it is forming a wave and how the wave is forming. The wave can be represented in sine form, and how the wave is moving in this form for water wave, for seismic waves, for sound waves, or whatever it is for light wave. All the waves or all the disturbance is moving in the form of waves. How come you are getting this pattern? Why the wave is moving like this? We can discuss in next class. These are all the waves. You are getting a point here. The sound is moving from one point to another point. How the wave form like this we are getting here, how the wave form like this we are getting, and how the wave form we are getting like this, and how the wave form we are getting as a sine curve. The nature of the wave we can represent it by using a graph nature as a sine wave. How this pattern we are getting for all the waves we can discuss in the next class. You please be remember up to this point. This is just an introduction class, and it is a wave definition and some example, and how the nature as a sine is existing for a different types of the wave, and some waves require a medium and some waves are not require a medium. We can discuss all those things in next class, and please follow this one.